Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful brand new 350 Chevrolet 4-bolt main 350 horsepower turnkey package. Go over some of the highlights on the engine. This is a brand new engine, 4-bolt main, one-piece rear main seal. We have the Vortec cylinder heads on there, center valve cover bolts, Vortec intake manifold, aluminum. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats in place. We have the two coolant ports on the thermostat housing for extra sensors. We have the quick fuel carburetor on there. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines are ran with a gas filter. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the MSD ignition coil on there. These real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue. Made in USA. Proper oil pan on there. Proper flex plate, tooth count and balance, high torque mini starter, dipstick and tube on there. All the PCV ventilation lines are all hooked up. Manifold vacuum fittings are in there. Small cap distributor for firewall clearance. Every engine is live run and tested for over 45 minutes. Ignition timing set, carburetors adjusted. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum readings, oil pressure, cold and hot. Water temperature, all ready to go. Drop in, turnkey, ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, this is our beautiful 350 Chevrolet 350 horse Vortec engine, ready to go. Give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.